What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm really excited to get working in the yard. I have a lot to do today. It is 4th of July and it is time for the annual traditional 4th of July Milorganite application. I haven't used Milorganite at all this year and I'm really excited to put some down. I've been letting the grass grow a little bit, raising the height of cut for summer. I think I'm going to take it up to about 3.5 inches, and I think we'll see how that does as far as combating my heat stress. Got the flag out, flying proudly. I'm really happy to live in a city where it's growing really fast, but it's still holding true to its small town roots. And it's rodeo season, and we got a chance to go to the rodeo and check that out. And there's been parades right down Main Street with floats and horses, and it's just been a blast to see a city that's still proud of its heritage, and it's not apologetic about being patriotic. And that's exactly the kind of city that I like to live in, and because that's the kind of person I am. I love this country. I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful to live here, and I'm excited to be celebrating the freedoms that I enjoy here. And one of those freedoms, of course, is the freedom to mow. So let's get started. Okay, mowing is all done, and now it's time for the fun part, and to throw down the Milorganite. Now, a lot of people do this. It's kind of a trend to do this on the 4th of July, so let me show you why there's such a big fuss about it. So on the back of the bag, you can see they have recommended times of the year to be applying this, and 4th of July is one of them. They just go by the major holidays: Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, and Thanksgiving, to store up for spring. So 4th of July, we're gonna put down a full application. Let's have some fun. So I got a feeling that some people might comment and say, I thought you weren't going to use any Milorganite this year, or I thought you were going to stick with your soil test. And yes, that is the case. I did say that I would use less Milorganite than normal this year because of my soil test results. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description. But I never said that I would stop using Milorganite, but I did say that I would stop using it as my primary fertilizer. I like using Milorganite. I've used a lot of Milorganite on this lawn in the past, and I've gotten great results. It's a really good product, it's a really good company. I have no complaints. The only thing is my soil test did say that I should use fertilizers with less phosphorus, but at the same time, the lawn still requires an application or two of phosphorus through the season to maintain its current level. And in my case, I'm just trying to bring it down a little bit, so I'm going to put down this application here. I don't anticipate it making a huge change in that level. I do plan on doing another soil test at the end of the season to see how things have changed for better or for worse. So this is going to be my only full application of Milorganite this season. I do plan on using a little bit later on, and you'll see what I mean when we get to that point. But as far as full applications go, this is going to be the only time that I do this. So with that, let's get into this and let's get it in the lawn. Okay, that is going to go ahead and do it for today, and man, I'm happy about that for two reasons. One, it's getting hot out. We're into the 90s today, and summer is pretty much here, and I'm not ready for it, but made it through. The other thing that was kind of a struggle today was my spreader. I was having some issues with the Earthway spreader today. It looks like the switch underneath to toggle the side spread control is loose, and there's a screw that kind of holds it in place that's kind of hard to get to without disassembling most of the spreader itself. So gonna have to get in there and tighten up that screw. It also felt really hard to push, and that's not normal for this spreader. It's usually been really easy to push. It hasn't really been hard to use overall. But man, tires are not low, but it feels like there's something that's kind of holding the tires back from actually rolling. There's some tension somewhere that needs to be fixed. So I think what I'm gonna do is go into this thing and take it apart and see what I can do. Definitely gonna be for another video, but something to look forward to for sure. Hopefully I can fix it. If not, then I guess I'll have to be in the market for a new spreader. So thank you for watching. Happy 4th of July. I hope you have a happy and safe one. Be careful out there if you're doing fireworks, and have a lot of fun, and we'll see you in the next video.